What's good, everyone? This is Chris here, back with another house tour here in Sacramento. We are by the Med Center / Curtis Park, which is like a few minutes away from downtown. Let's get straight into it. And all you have to do to be an Amazon gift card giveaway winner is leave a comment and be a subscriber. Let's get into it. So we are here at this beautiful craftsman home, right over here by the Med Center. Let's go inside. And the Med Center is like right above, like to the right of Curtis Park, and then diagonal from downtown. This home is completely brand new, built this year. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Almost 1,600 square feet, and completely new. Look at all of this. So the power isn't on downstairs, but it is on upstairs, so that's why. I don't have the lights on. Man. Come back around here. Look at this. Engineered hardwood floors. You got your wood shelving right there, right above the fireplace. Accent wall for the fireplace. Super nice. Open floor plan, which is amazing. Dining room set here for you. And this is gonna be your first bathroom. Can't really see in here, but I promise you they paid so much attention to detail. And then when we go upstairs, you'll see more. Like, look at that tile. Close that door. And all of the doors come the black with the black finishes, which I never thought I would like until I seen this home. So it's amazing. Okay, Peninsula Island. This is the quartz countertop with the wood cabinet, stainless steel appliances except for the refrigerator. Look at this though. My goodness, this is nice. Jeez. You see the backsplash right there. Like, these black finishes are really amazing. I like how they contrast with the lighter cabinets. And the light quartz countertop. It's amazing. This right here is your barn door leading into your pantry. And that's where your fridge will go. And over here, you have a place to sit for a little bit. This is your garage. And this home was built by AK Developers, that's their name. And this is Viktoria Mysin's listing. And it's going for $599 at the moment. This is where you have your laundry room at. Another barn door. Screen for the backyard. Let's go out here real quick. Let's make sure I can get it out. Look at this. So do you have the mulch here for it to keep it low maintenance? Because usually with new homes, they don't have grass put in. New fence. There, apartment right there, vacant land right there. And with everything being brand new, don't have to worry about AC, because that's brand new too. So we come back in here, let's go upstairs. will say, looking at this, they pay so much attention to detail. Look at this iron cast railing. Man. We head upstairs now. I hope you guys can hear me with this mask on. And so to the right is the master bedroom, but we'll do that last. Look at that tile. Goodness. First room here. Got your office. Could be just a bedroom, but they have it staged as an office. Look at this, get that work done. Nice size closet here for you. Your sliding door. I really love these black doors. All right. So look at this bathroom right here. Tile flooring. Ooh. Lovely countertop. The black faucet. Look at these lights. Oh! These lights are amazing. The finishes here are just, I want to say stunner. It's amazing, it's amazing. It's a vibe. There we go. The shower heads were made from Delta. Let's take a look at the second bedroom. Plenty of windows here for lots of natural light. But the home is well insulated, so the AC is not even on, and it's not even hot in here. You figure it'd be super hot with all these windows. Once again, you got your decent sized closet. Man. All right. So now let's go on to the master. Look at this. Man. It is super bright today, isn't it? Oh, y'all gonna freak with this bathroom. But look at this. Look at the flooring in the bathroom. Man. Ooh, sensors on. Master ensuite closet. Plenty of shelving here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the lighting. Look at the tile, yo. Man. I feel like no detail was left out. Yes, yes. Your bathroom right here. Now let's look at this shower. Oh my goodness. Wow. So you have your shower right there, shower head right there. Controls right there. You also got your shower head, well, the extendable one. But then, one above, with the lights inside. My goodness. And then hopefully the person you're gonna be kind of shacking up with, you love them, so. Because this is open. You might want to, if not, if you don't like that, you can always have like a little curtain rod right here, like a mini one. So right there, phone's right there. So I have that done. But this is amazing. Let me step down. Oh, go up down to my nose. Let me put that back. Oh, did we get it? Good, got it. Close that. Ooh, soft close too. Nice. Man. This is truly something else. Like even the lights here. Custom made, designer finishes. Truly amazing. So that is it for home tour today. Let me know what you thought about this place, this new craftsman home here in Sacramento. Leave it in the comments. Can't wait to see y'all again for the next one. Y'all stay safe, take care. Have a good one. Bye.